Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we analyze Kaspa and its token KAS. None of the content is financial advice. Let's get started. Over the last 24 hours or so, Kaspa has rallied by over here about 11.5%. Price is at around slightly higher than 10 cents. The market cap 2.6 billion, volume at around 100 billion. By market cap, it's ranked number 42nd. It does have is starting to have a lower market cap rank month over month, so that's an area of concern. If we look at the price versus market cap growth over here, again this particular crypto does have a max supply of about 228 billion Kaspa token and circulating supply at around 25. So around 90% of the supply is in circulation. You can check that out over here by saying 89.5%, almost rounding it up to 90% is in circulation. If we look at the price versus market cap growth over the last 1 year or so, this has been the price side of things. Market cap also declining at the same level as price is declining. Again, this particular crypto has had a rough year over the last 12 months or so, but you can see that this channel which was again uh, being held for quite a while, again got broken recently. Again, I'm referring to this ascending channel. They have a higher likelihood of breaking down to the downside, and while this was occurring, there was another channel kind of operating in parallel. You can see over here, if we try to superimpose this since about late July of 2024 till now, this is the opposite of an ascending channel. This is a descending channel, so again they have a higher likelihood of breaking to the upside. So the further moves per this channel could be somewhere support at around 6 cents if it were to kind of manifest it till about middle of April or end of April of 2025. In terms of the machine learning based price forecast for Kaspa, again all of the content over here available for free. You don't have to pay or sign up for anything. This is machine learning based price forecast since token launched in uh, June of 2022. It has not seen a proper bear market, though it launched in the bear market but just took off due to its proof of work related and also narratives related to proof of work. Again, if you look at the directionality of the forecast, the pink line which says the price has a higher likelihood of going up with time than down with time, although there has been a 1 year worth of bearishness for this particular crypto. If it does break out the one standard deviation non-euphoria breakout for Kaspa, could take its price in the next 6 months between 10 cents and about 25 cents. That would correspond to its new all-time high. Again, this is trained on seasonal ARIMA, LSTM, and XGBoost machine learning price based models. If we look at the two standard deviation recovery, if there is some sort of euphoria in the market and the Kaspa taking part in that euphoria phase, the price could be between 12 cents and about 42 cents. You can see that check out the week by week price forecast either on hovering on this line or looking at the table at the bottom. The base case, which is this pink line, is this column in the middle. To its left are the three bear cases, to its right are the three bull cases at 1, 2 and 3 standard deviation. So way to interpret that is, let's say we take the week of March of 2020, March 23 of 2025. The base case price is at around, forecasted as at around 10 and a half cents. There is a 68% chance that the price stays between 7.3 cents and 14.6 cents. 95% chance that price stays between 4.8 cents and 19.5 cents. As we move towards the post halving year, towards the middle part of the post halving year, the one standard deviation bull case makes the most sense to forecast. If that yellow line is consistently, the price is consistently staying above the yellow line, that's when the euphoria case begs some attention. Right now, the one standard deviation bull case for Kaspa between 10 and 25 cents. If that kind of pans out, then we can take a look at the two standard deviation. If on the other hand the price continues to exhibit that downturn, the support for Kaspa support levels between 6 cents and about 8 and 8.8 cents. So that's the machine learning side of things. If we look at the regression based analysis and interpretation, again this polynomial regression based fair value estimation helps identify when it's a great time to buy, typically below the pink line, and when again especially if we apply one standard deviation residual to it to have that even more than 68 percentile move already made to the downside, that also helps establish if market has gone sufficiently bearish. Right now the regression function has unfortunately has taken a downturn with the price action also going hand in hand. The fair value is coming in at around roughly at around 9 cents. Price is slightly above that, has not had a blow off top scenario. Again, if we look at blow off top at around 12 cents per this regression model, again not that helpful. If we try to apply a 3 standard deviation function to establish what could be a theoretically a blow off top scenario at this point in time at around 25 cents. So that kind of corresponds to the 1 standard deviation non euphoria bull case per the machine learning model, kind of confluent at around 25 cents there. So that could be one target to look at for Kaspa. In looking at the risk based models, the SMA or simple moving average based risk is at around 12%. Targets between 19 cents and 23 cents per the this model. um, if we look at the DC or the regression based model, which takes into consideration the similar regression function, the risk levels are at around 38%, slightly under 40%. The targets between 12 cents and 20 cents for um, Kaspa at this point in time. The time weighted average price based model says that the price is coming close to this blue line. Typically, if the asset has a future accumulating below the blue line, which is the time weighted average price, it does offer significant buy zones. Again, you can see historically speaking, whenever the price was below the blue line, those corresponded to some of the decent buy zones. Again, the opposite is whenever this chart says is into higher shares of orange or red color, that means it's good time to again average out. uh, Again, we'll take a look at the estimated bull case as a composite of all the models for Kaspa. Looking at the three models, the weighted risk is coming in at around 25%. That is almost one fourth. Estimated bull run peak at around 40 cents, which is close to the 2 standard deviation euphoria case at around 42 cents, representing a reward of about 3.9, or roughly speaking 4x from the current price. And with that, I would like to conclude the video by saying first area of confluence at 25 cents, second area of confluence at around 42 cents. So let's see what happens in the future. If you like this content, please give us a like and subscribe, and also check out the website. Is all available for free, not just for Kaspa but almost all of the top 100 cryptos, and has several data points such as their machine learning based price forecast, as we discussed, as well as the ones points that we did not discuss is there as a pair with respect to ETH as well as BTC, and also the analytics such as how much bull market is in completion under peak valley, and analysis again identifies what are the top 100 cryptos doing on their risk journey, what are the some of the popular narratives in the market under the word cloud, such as which altcoins are having a lot of social media attention, and what are some of the popular narratives and the sentiment in the market. So those kind of things are also available. The estimated bull run target for all or most of the cryptos, the heat map, how they are performing in the last 24 hours. Again, you can see that ADA and Kaspa are the winner over here. Also checks out across several time period to identify one crypto which has done the best in those time periods, and also the TLDR newsletter kind of format to identify the current sentiment score as of the last 24 hours, some of the popular narratives, what is happening in the market as a summary glance view. So those kind of things are also available on the website. So if do give it a try, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.